Ever find yourself staring at a suitcase, wondering why packing feels more like a puzzle than a prelude to your vacation? If you're someone who dreams of jetting off without the stress of overpacking, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Lazy Traveler's Guide, where I'm your laid-back host, Ryan Brooks, ready to help you pack smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into how to not overpack, even if you're an overthinker. Let's face it, packing can be a pain, especially when your mind jumps from, what if it rains, to, will I need a formal outfit, in a matter of seconds. First things first, opt for comfort. First, travel gear. Think versatile pieces like a cozy hoodie that doubles as a pillow, or those trusty sneakers that can take you from city streets to countryside trails without a blister in sight. The key is to choose items that you can mix and match and that can be dressed up or down with just a swap of accessories. Remember, you're going for a vibe, not a Vogue photo shoot. Next, let's talk about some underrated travel apps that can become your packing pals. Apps like PackPoint can help you create a customized packing list based on the weather and activities at your destination. It's like having a personal assistant who reminds you to pack that extra pair of socks just in case. Speaking of which, rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save space and reduce wrinkles. It's a tip as old as time, but it works wonders. And don't underestimate the power of packing cubes. They're not just for the ultra-organized, they're for anyone who wants to keep the items sorted and their sanity intact. Finally, let's tackle those pesky airport shortcuts. If you're someone who dreads long security lines, consider enrolling in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. It's a small investment that pays off in precious, saved time and less hassle. And while you're at it, have a dedicated travel pouch for your essentials like your passport, boarding pass, and any must-have toiletries. This way, you're not the person holding up the line while fishing through your bag. Remember, the goal here is to travel lighter and smarter so you can focus more on the adventures that await you. So, let's wrap it up. To master the art of packing lightly, focus on comfort first gear, leverage smart apps, and use simple organizing tools like packing cubes. Next time you're planning a trip, try incorporating just one of these tips and notice how it transforms your packing game. If you enjoyed today's chat and want more no-stress travel tips, make sure to subscribe to the Lazy Traveler's Guide. Until next time, happy and hassle-free travels.